Hello everybody, and welcome to
Global Gaming Guild Tips. The first of hopefully many more Global Gaming Guild tips and tricks videos here in the group. Here we are, chilling with our friends, on the ship, having a good time, exploring, when suddenly, we encounter some nasty pirates. The first thing people think is to destroy their vessels as quickly as possible. To them, well, I say no. What we're trying to do here is we want to board the enemy vessel instead of destroying their ship entirely outright. So you're gonna see me pull into there, docking with their ship, and this is the first step towards the tips and tricks. You don't want to destroy it, you don't get as much loot, right? So we board the enemy vessel to get the great loot. And then another tip would be to Sparta kick every single thing you can off the enemy vessel, instead of spending all your time meleeing them. See, I'm wasting a little bit of time, but that's not too bad. Just find somebody to Sparta kick and wait for it. Bam! There he goes. Well, there you go. Didn't even break a sweat. Just finishing off these last couple of guys. And we won. Look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? Collect their loot. You wouldn't be able to get these boxes of loot if you destroyed the ship entirely outright. So, that's that. And, yeah. Woohoo! Look at that. Crew's happy. Let's get the hell out of here, boys.